Let's start another react to Marcin, one of the greatest artists of our time. He is an acoustic guitar player. He is actually a guitar player from Poland. That's super young, super talented, and super nice human being. And today we're gonna react to this song, Snow Monkey. I never saw this song before. I never heard this song before. I never heard this clip before. It's gonna be my first time reacting, as everything I do with any reacts that I do is always a first time react, and it's a very fun experience because I never know what I can end up doing it. Before we go to the react, I have to ask you a favor. If you can go to the comment section, leave me a comment. If you can leave a like too, that way we teach YouTube that what we are doing here, the music that we are sharing here, is important, matter a lot. If don't matter for you, at least matters for me, because this is my dream. And if you are feeling especially generous today, we have a new membership thing going on. You can become a member of this channel, you can support financially, but you don't need to do this just because I'm asking. Do if you can, if you would like to do it, because you are free. Nobody can say what you have to do, what you don't. But the thing is, come with me, have fun regardless of this, okay? Snow Monkey was written, produced, performed by Marcin. Okay, so first time I thought that was his daily life. Every day he dressed up like a ninja, like Hokage, and have breakfast playing the guitar and go to the barber. Was a super cool idea. I did enjoy a lot. It's a very pop and modern song, and it's interesting to see this only with the instruments, the rhythmic, and it's a totally different approach that the covers that I ever saw from Marcin, and it's impressive to see how he has a lot to offer that we are not grasping until now, because he is getting more and more and more mature as an artist and as a guitar player, and he is just amazing. I did enjoy a lot. As always, Polish people, you can be very proud of this guy because he deserves it. I see you in the next video. Try to be nice to yourself, be nice to others, and till then, bye bye.